Chainsaw Man, Katana versus Chainsaw. I'm eating some spaghetti, so if you hear me smack, this might be a little bit of a mukbang. I'm sorry. What is Aki gonna do? No, he's gotta have a different devil cone. Just one. Her and underage motherfuckers. She's a creep, low key. It's got the Chainsaw Man's got this lo-fi vibe that I love in between the crazy scenes. Yeah. Oh, what happened? What happened? How did he slice his arms off? Hey, let go? What is it about to give him? Her eye patch? Oh. Does the devil have feelings? Or is she inside the devil now because she gave it everything? Easy revenge. She's inside of that ghost? I like this music. He's really about to turn up. Make a contract with it. Doesn't have eyes, so he uses fear to see. So he's not scared? Now it's your turn, bitch. Blue blood. It's the blue-faced devil. What? Who is that? Oh. Oh, yeah. Her and her little knife. Oh, those daggers? Affirmations? Oh, she got a big devil. She's crazy. What? Let us kill you. Nope. Yeah. Oh, shit. Straight into it. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, they're about to turn up. You can tell this animation is crazy. Oh, shit. Ooh. That was fluid. Denji look like he can't fight, low-key. Ooh. Oh, that was crazy. Oh, shit. This is crazy. Food. And titties. Ooh, on top of the train. Oh, this animation is going stupid. Oh, this is going stupid. Get him. They put all their budget into this episode. Oh, shit. Oh, he's about to use his move. Ooh. Oh, here it comes. Oh, he cut off his arm. Oh, he's about to do it again? Oh, shit, Denji. What is he doing? Where'd he get hit? Oh, both of his arms? What is he gonna do? Damn, Denji. No way. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what? 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 Oh, he's got him on his feet or his leg. He just one-shotted this dude? That's crazy. He just one-shotted him. They got this motherfucker hog-tied, butt naked. What?
大会あ、いいとこに来たな。大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴って警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。勝ったら何くれんだ。そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や。
Do devils have like awakenings? Or they just all... That would be sick. Like, they have like a bankai. Oh my god, the sound of the bell. From the back? It like goes from the back. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this is what I want to know. What was that? Was that the snake? Oh shit, the snake got her. Oh. I want to see the gun devil. The gun devil, easy revenge. Is that his son? The revenge is not going to be easy. Can he astral project? Can devils astral project? This music's creepy. Posta. You said his name? What? What is going on? Is that door unlocked Posta's real power? Who the fuck is Posta? What is he, really? What's going on? What just happened? Who the fuck is that? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what just happened. Okay. That shit better make sense next season.